magnífico trabajo que has hecho.
Igualmente, igualmente.
Muy buen trabajo.
Estamos aquí luchando.
Sí.
¿Todo bien?
Sí.
¿Todo bien?
Ya habré dicho.
Ah, eso es.
In the video.
Muy bien, ¿verdad?
Ok, hasta mañana.
Sí, pues.
See you tomorrow. Okay. See you tomorrow.
Good morning, everybody. So we arrived yesterday. We know that the opponent team is one of the best teams of Cambodia. Last champion, won the cup. On this moment, I'll be honest, they are making a fantastic job. I saw many matches of them from the Premier League Cambodia, but also international matches. I think what they do on Malaysia was fantastic. Win away on Malaysia is a fantastic result. Also, when they lose 2-1 away against Thailand team, I think also they make a very good match, because if you see last 20 minutes, Thailand team don't want to play, want to lose time. And this show that our opponent tomorrow is a strong team. Have good players, have a good coach, and they have, what I saw, they don't lose any game at home. Always win. It's a good performance that they are making. And also other situation, they have moral high, and comparing with us on this moment, our moral is not so high. Why? Because we lose our last match for the Liga Indonesia inside of the pitch, but also the other match we win inside of the pitch, but we lose outside of the pitch. And I want to share with you guys, because I know that is this different competition. This is ASEAN Club Championship, but it's because our leagues want to share and want to compete between the players, the teams, everybody. And I think it's important that here in Cambodia, you can know that on Indonesia, there is a team that play a game, are winning 3-2 against Barito, our team, and the last 44 seconds, a mistake of the referee allows that our team play with one more player during 44 seconds. And nobody scored a goal, nobody make nothing. I was on the discipline committee, and I saw the referee saying that have mistake, but after we finish the discipline committee, the league put that we lose 3-0 and we lose 3 points. So it's too much unfair, because we don't understand this, and they give 3 points for opponent team when the mistake was for the referee. I want to share this because we are Asia, and we need to help when there are a problem here. If Indonesia can speak about this, but also when there are a problem on Indonesia, if Cambodia, Thailand, Singapore, all the teams, Vietnam can speak, because sometimes we know always the directors, we know always the rules. Sometimes the rule is for one team and different rule for another team. So we, on this moment, as I said, the moral of opponent team is more high, than our moral, because we are losing inside of the pitch, but also we are losing outside of the pitch. So tomorrow we need to make very good game for we can collect points here, because I see that this team is very good. I agree with you. It's very difficult to get points here, the away team, and this is why I spoke before this situation also. And for we can have a good game tomorrow, we need to be first focused, because our last match we lose because we don't have focus on the set piece that opponent team made quickly.
Oke, selamat pagi semuanya. Untuk persiapan besok dan mengenai perjalanan ke Kamboja, alhamdulillah kita berjalan dengan lancar. Walaupun kita dari Jakarta menempuh perjalanan 3 jam, itu tidak menjadi masalah bagi kami. Semoga besok kita bermain maksimal. Kita tahu tim tuan rumah adalah tim yang kuat. Justru itu kami harus konsentrasi dari menit awal dan fokus juga menghadapi pertandingan besok. Yang pasti kita siap untuk menghadapi pertandingan besok. Itu saja. Terima kasih. Ewakau.